I've got this project to do, but I'm clueless about using Sprite.
Hey Jerry, want to hang out?
Not now, Luna.
Why? You seem troubled. What's up?
I've got this project, but I'm lost.
No worries. I know how to use it. Let's go to your room. Do you know how to start a new project?
Nope, but I'm eager to learn.
All right. First, I will show you how to start it.
Okay, Luna.
It's simple. First, click on the File menu, then on the New option. Now, see the new project window appear.
Wow! A new project opens. This is interesting. Okay, how can I make a sprite say something in Scratch?
To make a Sprites talk, you need to use the say blocks. Let me show you.
First, click on the Looks block category on the left side.
Okay, what's next?
Drag the say hello block and drop it onto the script area.
Oh, got it. What's next?
Now, click on the control block category.
Alright then.
Drag the wait block below the say hello block and change the value to 2 seconds.
Following along. What's next?
Finally, click on the looks block category again. Drag the say hello for 2 seconds block and drop it below the wait 2 seconds block. Change the text from hello to hi.
Awesome! I can make my sprite say anything now. Luna, how can make my sprite repeat an action multiple times?
To repeat actions, use the repeat block. Let me guide you. First, click on the control block category. Now, drag the repeat block and drop it onto the script area. Change its value to 15. Click the motion block category. Now, drag the turn 15 degrees block and drop it inside the repeat block. Now, drag the move 10 steps block and drop it inside the repeat block below the turn 15 degrees block. Click the pen block category. Now, drag the stamp block and place it below the move 10 steps block. Click on any block to see the output.
That's cool. I can make my sprite do things automatically. Luna, can I add sound effects to my project?
Yes, absolutely. Adding sound is fun. First, click the control block category. Now, drag the repeat block and drop it onto the script area. Click on the motion block category. Now, drag the move 10 steps block and drop it inside the repeat block. Click on the looks block category. Now, drag the next costume block and change color effect by 25 block and drop them inside the repeat block. Click on the motion block category. Now, drag the turn 15 degrees block and drop it inside the repeat block. Click on the looks block category. Drag the say hello block and drop it inside the repeat block. Now, click on the sound block category. Now, drag the start sound meow block and drop it inside the repeat block. Click on the control block category. Drag the wait 1 second block and drop it inside the repeat block. Click on the sound block category. Drag the
Play sound meow until done.
block and drop it inside the repeat block.
At last, click on the script to see the output.
Thank you, Luna. This helped me a lot with my project.
No problem, Jerry. Anytime you have questions, just come to me.